Hi, I'm Marilyn Taylor of MarilynTaylor.com, and I'm a vacation rental expert with a focus on interior design. And my goal is to help vacation rental owners optimize their profits and guest satisfaction. Make sure that you stick around all the way to the end of this video for a free gift that I have for you. Today we're going to talk about one of the ways that you can maximize your rents, which is optimizing how many people can sleep in your house. Now there are the obvious ways, which are things like putting as many beds as you can in your house, right? You could put I've seen a lot of rentals where they will put a lot of the bedrooms with twin beds, right? But then that doesn't really cater to couples. And it causes people to have to sleep apart, or it's just, to me, it's a little awkward. Another way to maximize how many people can sleep in your space is with bunk beds. Now, hear me out. Okay, I'm not talking about those rickety wooden thin beds from summer camp when you were 12. We're talking about sturdy, quality, elegant looking bunk beds. There are even king over king beds. There is a company called adultbunkbeds.com. And I want to share with you how you can use those in your spaces to create a really, really unique and niche-y, because we know the riches are in the niches, right? You can create spaces and you could choose one room for this or make your whole house filled with these bunk beds and really, truly optimize how many people can sleep in your home. Now, keep in mind that let's say you just have a 2 or 3 bedroom and then you can sleep up to 12 people. Well, keep in mind, you have to have enough bathrooms, you have to have a kitchen that can accommodate that, you have to have enough seating and all of that. Okay, so don't go crazy. We've got to keep things in balance. So let's talk demographics and who are these beds right for? Under what circumstances would these really make sense for adults and not just kids? I think along the lines of family reunions or girls' weekends or dudes' weekends. Is your place catering to family events or, sporting events or wineries or beach, whatever? So when you decorate these beds and when you set them up, you want to cater them to adults, which means nice bedding, really nice pillows. Set them up with bedding that looks all designery and stuff. You don't want it to just be like bed in a box stuff. Don't go there. Don't do it. You want it to have personality and still feel elegant and grown up. So I'm going to show you some examples of these beds in action in some spaces where I think they give a great example of how you can use these. There's this one here. You can see how nice and mature and elegant that looks, right? I mean, love this one, super gender neutral. Male or female would love this. This is for a beachy area. You can see how they decorated that nice and colorful. So this one pictured here in this awesome photo is actually a queen bed over a king, but they do have king over king, which is pretty stinking cool. And if you wanted to add a trundle, this is where you would do it. And they have trundle beds that literally fit underneath that can also pull out. So super cool. Another thing that I want you to be thinking about is the numbers, because is it worth the extra wear and tear on your space for what you can charge extra for being able to sleep more people? So this is really important because you want to make sure that you do your homework up front. Go online, go on Airbnb or HomeAway or wherever you list and pull up homes within your area, I would say within a mile or 2 of your area, with similar size, and take a look at the average, right? You also want to look at aesthetics, but take a look at the average price that is being charged for homes that just sleep, say, 2 people per bedroom. Then take a look at if you could go from sleeping 4 to sleeping 8, how much would that increase your profit? And is it worth it? Because you have to think about the return on investment if you purchase these beds. And once you put them in there, and how long are you going to do this for? How much do you rent during the year? Are you super seasonal? Do you rent year round? These are all things. Figure out what is your cost basis going to be, and then find out how much more in profit could you be making. And almost 9 times out of 10, you're going to find this is worth doing. I recommend heading over to adultbunkbeds.com and take a look at the different styles that they have. And again, my absolute favorite is the cubby steps heading up. I just feel like that would feel so much more secure getting into that top bunk, plus that storage. And they just look so great. So that's it for this video. I hope that you found this helpful. And if you want more tips and tricks, or you want to consult one-on-one with me, head over to MarilynTaylor.com. You can see it spelled out right here, but it's Marilyn with 2 N's. And you can either consult one-on-one with me, or I can do a listing or website review for you. And if you even want me to help you design your space, I can do that too. And now for that free gift I was telling you about, head over to my website, MarilynTaylor.com, and click on the Start Here button for your free download. That's it for today. I will see you next time.